All I do is rhyme. All I do is get this money. All I do is grind. Play shows and chill with honeys. All I do is shine. Tour the world, ain't it funny? I'm one of a kind. All I do is rhyme. All I do is get this money. All I do is grind. Play shows and chill with honeys. All I do is shine. Tour the world, ain't it funny? I'm one of a kind.
I feel like I'm on iCarly, bro, over here. 3, 2,
Cool like a convertible with a snowplow.
Like a streaker at a hockey game.
Like a finger rolled in February.
Cool like a Yeti eating frozen spaghetti.
What's good? It's your boy LJ Ruffin with Freaks Sneaks. Got another video on today. Another pickup from my boys over at Sunlight Station. Wade's only this year, you know what I'm saying? So, got another pickup. Let's get into it. First start off, we're gonna look at the box real quick. You know, we just got a few minor things. It's the same Li-Ning box for all the way away forwards for the most part. I think the city pack is a little bit different, but besides the city pack, all the way away forward boxes are different. I mean, the same. So let's open this bad boy up. The stuff that it came with can obviously give away what shoe I picked up, but you know, I messed up the poster. But got this little Darth Maul wearing the kicks, Li-Ning a little poster. I am so mad I messed this up, but it's all right, you know. Never mind, it's not alright, but you gotta go with the flow. Got this little sticker with the same little logo on the other thing. And you know the boys always hook you up. Got this little Team No Sleep wristband. They threw in another Way of Way keychain. And to end it off, we got the Rock'em pair of socks. Enough with all the goodies. Let's get right into the kicks. So, bang, we got the Way of Way 4 screws. But like, I'm surprised like these don't come with like a fire extinguisher ready, cause like as soon as like I grabbed these, bro, my hands started burning. Like these are just so much freaking heat. Got the heat colorway on deck, you know what I'm saying? Got that yellow bottom, you know, like these right here, man, clean, right? These on and off the court. They got this like mesh upper, real dope patent leather on the tongue with the 3 stars. That's actually stitched in. That's not a sticker. That's not like onto the shoe. They stitched that in after they put the patent leather on that joint. So definitely really good touch to that, you know. Great shoe in my opinion. I'm really glad I picked these up. These were they're not on sale anymore, but these were like $113. They were like $113 retail, $250. They were like $113 on Sunlight Station. They had a sale, so I definitely had to pick these up. And I am not looking back. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna do the on-feed review sooner than later. LJ Ruffin, Freaks with Sneaks. I'm out.